Hey, what's up guys, this is Pro Wolf Trader and today is 3rd January 2025. Welcome to the future. Gold is dropping. I'm a bit late for the stream, but not that late actually. Gold is dropping. We are on a sell. I'm on a sell since Tokyo session and it's dropping really hard. It's dropping like hell hard. And after an hour, New York Stock Exchange is gonna open. We have ISM probably after 2 hours, and gold is dropping hard, really hard. So let's see what's happening, baby. Currently, if you haven't liked this and subscribed the channel, please do that. Let me put one more message so people can start joining up, those who are not aware. Fly me to the moon. Oh my god, what the hell is this? It's a radar scanner. Anyways, I was on a sell since Tokyo, and this signal was provided over here on the premium group. The signal on gold sell was provided over here. Let me share that signal with you guys, so you guys know what's cooking, baby. Here is a signal for those guys who talk shit. For my haters, actually, this was a signal provided over here, and we made, what do you say, TP1 at 51 and it's still dropping. TP2 is 46. TP2 has already been hit. And TP3 is 40, 51, 46, 42, 44, 37, 32. Yeah, it's all in front of you guys. So what's holding you guys back? I just keep on saying, if you want to make big money, hey, what's up, man? If you want to make big money, join the premium. Anyways, let's do a quick analysis of what's gonna happen. Yes. Wait a second. I'm gonna do a quick breakdown. Gold dropped really hard. Glad about it. Gold is gonna keep dropping down. Anyways, guys, we were on a sell, by the way. This was the premium signal given on gold. This was just gold, okay? We have trade also running. This was basically the Euro JPY premium signal, which I showed you yesterday. It also hit TP1. Besides this, we hit also TP on GBP JPY and a bunch of other things. We have natural gas, we have crude oil. We are in an entry on crude oil. This is premium signal. You can have it, you can see it. Yes, this is a way. If you guys have the guts, take the entry over here. So coming back to gold, gold is what gold does, baby. This area is the monthly low, the one monthly candle of previous month, okay? And this is the December, okay? So we have 2 monthly candle closing on red. So if you are a price action trader or somebody who's really concerned, you're probably shorting around this zone, right? So guess what? We are shorting it. But guess what? Maybe it's not the time to short, or maybe it is the time to short. So if you want the answer to those questions, please like the channel. And in just about 5 minutes, I'm going to explain why it's dropping and how far it's going to drop. And if you are late in the drop and you are like, okay, what if I sell and it immediately goes up? Yes, I also have the answer to that question. But give me 5 minutes and hit the like button and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. I'm going to do a complete breakdown of what's happening on gold, what's going to happen next week and what's going to happen this month. because these are high times, and we all know how the new year started. Right underneath Donald Trump's Trump Tower, a Cybertruck was blasted with firecrackers, and inside there was, I think, an army soldier still listed. He got killed. And then there was a shooting in New Orleans, and everybody is still trying to recover after the attack. And the way the market is behaving is like people are concerned. Why? Because the US stocks, it had a hard time struggling all day, basically because it was in a recovery mood, and it went back to what you call 2-year, lowest. In the last 2 years, the lowest it hadn't dropped it this much in the last 2 years. And S&P 500 in 2024 and in 2023 was the best 2-year runs since the late 1990s, since before the dot-com bubble crash. And tech industries, especially the Magnificent Seven, is because of their the earnings and the push on the Wall Street. And anyways, coming back to where I was saying, the entire reason for, and yeah, one more thing, people were messaging me asking me what's going to happen on Tesla stocks. Listen, even before the attack, everybody knew that the earnings for the fourth quarter were gonna come, and they were late, but anyways they did come, and it was quite disappointing. If you are watching any channel like CNBC, Fox News, anything, you can go right now, even check. It's disappointing. They'll update you. No need to take any stress. Anyways, if you're watching this, what happened was the earning is disappointing, and on the top of that, the incident which happened under the Trump Tower, it was an initial thing. I told you, always in December and January, some shit happens. Last year, it was, invasion in Palestine. Before that, something crazy shit happened. Yeah, Russia invasion, and before that, the head of Iran IRGC, Qasem Soleimani, got assassinated. I mean, crazy shit going on every year around this time. So this is also the time you place in your trades really carefully. And a lot of people, they were not expecting that suddenly they were long on, S&P 500, Nasdaq 100, and suddenly it dropped down. They were like, we didn't know how to expect. Listen, the incident happened before the market opened. You had 12 hours to decide what you're gonna do once in the New York session opens, because this incident happened on Wednesday. Wednesday was a holiday, right? And you actually think that this was not intentional, probably some institution or some fucking big ass shit, they intentionally, it was purpose. As soon as the stock market opened, Tesla dropped. You wanna see how much it dropped? Let's first see how much, the MicroStrategy dropped. MicroStrategy opened up with a gap down, then it filled it up. Let's just see what happens with Tesla. Actually, I'm not just doing gold and Bitcoin, I'm doing the overall. Look at the drop. Wednesday was bank holiday, and that fucking incident happened. Yeah, I'm sorry, I have a habit of saying fucking. The incident happened, and people like, oh, you had whole time to figure out, and you would have shorted it. And it opened with a gap down, it went down. This was because of that damn incident. Okay, see this? It's over here. Everything's over here. You just need to follow up. If you can't keep up with everything that's happening in the market, just follow the Telegram group. The link is given down in the bio. Let me post it up over here. Give me a second. Where's the link? Where's the link? So here's the Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin, by the way, before I move on to the Bitcoin, let me move to, gold. Bitcoin, look at Bitcoin, complete price action, okay? It was around here. I posted an analysis right around this corner. I was telling people to buy over here, and they were calling me crazy. Listen, when you are at a certain point, there are always two probabilities. Either it's gonna drop, it's gonna go up, okay? And you can make profits on both ways. Just you have to put a sell limit order over here with a stop loss and a buy limit order over here. And if the buy hits the stop loss, anyways, you're gonna make on the profit on the sell. Why can't you guys accept that thing and put it in your head? You guys don't need to stress about that trade which is, you know, in negative. You need to sit down and plan your trade. I all the time say that always have a plan B. And my plan B was that I opened a buy. I knew this was a strong area. Even I bought some other coin. I bought XRP. I have alerts over here. It was previously rejected not once but thrice. And over here it went down below. People were like, oh, this is a drop. No, it was not a drop. It went up. I had buy limit order over here. I got re-entry over here. So yeah, Fibonacci helps. And I've been teaching a lot of people how to use Fibonacci on my live streams quite often, but people don't, you know, try to understand it. Fibonacci helps you put where your stop loss should be, where your take profit should be, and where your break even should be. And it helps you, you know, find a better, you know, entry area and an exit area to get out with your profits. Right now, it's going back, you know, it went up to 97. This is a healthy retracement. Now it's gonna go head up at 98. You know why it's gonna go? Look what day is today is. Today is 3rd December, right? Donald Trump is gonna be in White House on 18 January. That means as soon as this week ends today, weekend starts, we're gonna see a push on Bitcoin. Next week is gonna be a crazy pump because the crypto boys, they're gonna start pumping Bitcoin up. And as soon as the next week starts, is gonna be a crazy pump. It might break all-time high over here. So if you have any, you know, any coins like XRP, Ethereum, or all other bunch of coins, everything's gonna pump. And then there's a second outcome. Maybe it drops down before it pumps up. But anyways, for that you have to keep update, and you know, just follow me. I'm gonna keep you update if you can't keep update yourself. And let's move on. Okay, so this is a complete breakdown. I am on a buy over here, and I just did a buy, right? What do you say? Buy over here. The reason was that if whatever trade plan you are following, I have a variety of trade plan which I'm teaching in my batch. Currently the 5th batch have started, and the 6th batch is gonna start next month in February. You have one whole month. You have 31st January to figure out if you can join it or not. But even if you can't join the batch, you can join the premium signal membership, in which you will not only get access to signal group on Telegram but also on Discord, and access to Discord private VC where you can sit down and chat with other traders, and also with me when I'm live streaming. And when I'm not live streaming on YouTube, I am sitting over there and live streaming and trading with the guys in the premium group. And besides this, there are lots of other stuff over there. I cannot do a complete breakdown. Let's just leave that in the details. Just go check it out. Anyways, let's move back on our stream. Today's stream is gonna be really long because I did not stream yesterday. I was really busy. Today in London too I was busy, but I'm gonna extend the stream for like 5-6 hours. If you guys are here, if people are watching, if there is more than 5 people watching the stream continuously, I'm gonna be streaming 5-6 hours, because today is the last day of the week, and today's trades is gonna matter on the next week. You know, if you gonna open the trade next week, it's gonna be too late. So we're gonna try to open up some trades and take it next week, because next week is NFP, and in NFP you don't wanna mess it up. We will probably try to short gold, and I just shorted gold, so I will try to carry that gold position onto the next week. Anyways, let's do this. Here's the link, by the way. Here's the link for the Telegram group. I'm posting it on the chat, and I'm pinning the message so anybody who's watching can join. Hey, what's up, Rahman? Here's the message is pinned in. Just click on the link tree and join the Telegram group, plus join the Discord group. It's absolutely free. It won't take you anything to join the group. If you have any questions, you can ask me up. This is subscribers mode only, so it won't, you know, take you a minute or two. By the way, please like the channel. Let's go. So right now we have intraday. Today is Tokyo high. Tokyo high is around 2665, We have Tokyo low around 2650. Then we have London open around 2652, 55. And then London high was as high as around 2659. And what do you say? London low plus New York low is around 2643. So right now, two possible things is happening. It's gonna go retest New York high, and if it breaks New York high, it's gonna go retest London high. If it doesn't do that, it just bounces back off from this zone. We're gonna wait. And by the way, this area over here on the right side, this is the November low candle. I also need to mark this over here is November low, and this exactly right where the November low was. This is December. Let me mark this out. I'm gonna mark this line blue because this is December, baby. You have to mark November and December low. By the way, if you're bothered about holy shit, what are these huge lines? These are my work. I put my charting. It helps me. Charting will not only help you determine where you should need to put your trades, but it also helps you see where the previous monthly candle closed, so you can be in a better state of taking your profits. Okay, so right now, as you can see, I just marked in front of you, this is the monthly previous month resistance. So this is a really strong area, so most likely we're gonna see a rejection over here. So this is why I was in a sell from Tokyo high. So you know, everything matters for a reason. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up, pretty? Hey, where you been? How are you? How was your holidays? Happy New Year, guys. I haven't seen you guys in a while. I thought you guys ran away. Like, holy shit, that guy, he's not making enough profits. Dude, I was busy. Come on. It's holiday after all. I needed some sleep. I was hibernating, but I was actively trading, but less trading. But I'm back, and the best part is we survived November and December, because I say that surviving November and December is the most hardest thing. If you can survive November, December, if you can trade in November, December and survive it, you can survive anything. Oh, you are studying. What are you studying, by the way? I hope your exams are finished and you did good, and you have time to learn and to trade and to improve yourself. I don't know if you guys don't have any 2025 goals, you should probably write down 10 goals you want to achieve in 2025, and then write down what's that first goal that you can achieve in the next 24 hours. You need to do this stuff. This is really important. By the way, if you have any question, you can ask me for year entrance exam. Oh, nice. Oh, I hope you got in the university you were wishing for. And please stay away from IIT. What's that thing, that government job that people try to ISP, sorry. Stay away from that. Please, don't waste your life. It's not worth it. Yeah, I'm just saying in advance, just stay away from that. I have seen a lot of young people, both men and women, boys and girls, sorry. They waste their life, especially guys, they waste their life trying to get the, that government job. And you know what? It's just like another level. This is a nice thing. Economists are the real people who make real money. Probably get hired by, some hedge fund. By the way, you can apply for it. If you can do your graduation and you can apply in US, you can get over there. But it's not that easy. It's fucking hard. just expect disappointments all the time, but that mindset won't affect you. At least you should tell yourself, I'm gonna keep trying. But yeah, unfortunately, people who study economists in Pakistan and India and Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, I mean, in these countries, they end up, being an economist teacher in university. In fact, if you're studying abroad in America, or Europe, or Canada, these guys are the people who get hired as analysts in hedge funds. They are the guys who make 5-figure in dollar. I don't know where you do from, but you should better do it with your own money. Don't take any loan. And please stay away from Canada too. A lot of Indians are already there. And it's not a friendly country. The cold is gonna fucking kill you. Probably go to a European country is better for education than Canada. Canada is easy, but the weather is gonna kill you. Plus, you're gonna be thinking, Australia is worse. Australia has UV problem, and the spiders over there are bigger than the size of our dog. So good luck with that. As the wildlife is gonna mess you problems. I am from tropics. Oh damn. Good luck with you then. Anyways, let's come back to trading, guys. Gold is dropping currently. Okay. So I don't know if I'm not gonna give any signals anymore. I mean I already did yesterday, and today is Friday. I'm not gonna end up, because right now market is not in a position that I give you guys signal. Market made it moves, it's dropping. It made a retracement. Today's stream is gonna be specifically regarding education. By the way, if you want a signal, here it is. You can sell it over here, because this right over here, let me write it down too, is a monthly candle. Just give me 1 second. Give me a minute, guys. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. Give me a minute. Okay, guys. Before I say anything, I wanna just post one thing for you. This is a airdrop right now. This new coin came up. It's called Zoo. Okay, it's just 1 hour left. You guys can grab a snake. Yeah, it sounds really weird. It's still weird for me. So I was just let me send you the invite. This is the invitation code. All you guys need to do is, you guys have Telegram, just go on their page and just follow them and get the airdrop. It won't take you anything, but if you want to buy, I think it's like $1 or $2 worth of coin. I don't know, just check it out. I'm still figuring my way, the stuff around it. Here's the link, by the way. I live in a forest. Damn, this is my live. You live in a forest. I hope you okay, wait a second. Where is that link? Then it won't be a problem for you. I heard stories that in like 3 decades ago there were like lots of Bengali tigers over there, mostly in the village area, that were man-eaters. Where is that invitation? Okay, here it is. Just 1 minute, hold on. This is Okay, here's the link. Just go and click on this link and just grab the airdrop. Okay, let's come back to where we were what we were talking about. Okay, here it is. This is the monthly low, by the way. Previous month low candle, right around this corner. I'm gonna write December resist. By the way, this is December resistance. I see, yeah, R is okay. This is December high. What the hell did I just do? Did I just rotate right side 24? Nobody's gonna see that. Where the hell? I can't see shit. Top, middle. Oh, here it is. I see now. Damn. Oh, now I can see. Yep. So basically this is December high. So this is why we are seeing a strong, really strong resistance area over here. So probably selling over here is a really nice idea. I just recommend you guys to open a sell over here. I have an algo too, a script which I've been using for the past 3-4 years, and that is also recommending me a sell at exact this area. By the way, if you're not familiar, I already gave a sell entry over here on the premium group. So if you guys want to take advantage of premium signals, please join the premium subscription. Membership is only $100 per month, not that much. You can make this money in half an hour, 1 hour, and what we'll get is you will get signals of Forex, S&P 500, Nasdaq 100, Bitcoin, crude oil, and everything that's out there. And I'm also bringing up a specific signals for specific stuff. Like if you just want signals for crypto, you're gonna get it. If you just want some signals for gold, you're gonna get it at a slightly lower price, because you're just gonna target some specific instruments. So like that, it won't cost you that much, but you know, it's just gonna keep you focused on a specific thing that you partly want to take interest in. Anyways, coming back to where I was, we are selling gold. Yes, you heard me right, we are selling gold. Please like and subscribe the channel so we can enjoy. Today's live stream is gonna be at least 5-6 hours. If you have any question, you can ask me. So you live in tropics. If you don't mind, exactly which state? UP? Or you are like from, what do you say, Tamil Nadu? I like to talk with people who belong to different countries and different culture. It's nice exploring stuff. We all came out from our ancestors. I mean, they were living like back it. Nowadays we have city. Back in the era it was like villages, right? Before the great age of technology. So we have is, by the way, let's I also wanna talk about some stuff before I forget to mention about it. This is the intraday plan, right? I just brief right now. We have November low, we have December high. This is a resistance area over here. Plus let's talk about our buy. We were on a buy, by the way. We were on a buy since 2600, and before that from 2588 89 over here, and this area, and what do you call this area, 2620. We were on a buy over here, and these signals were given, and right now we are on a sell over here. And I'm gonna explain you the reason why we are on a sell. Hello. So this is Elliott wave. If you guys are not familiar what Elliott wave is the thing that is making me profits since God knows when, 4 or 5 years. And since I learned this thing, I have applied this thing, and this thing works like a charm, because you can be wrong, Elliott wave cannot be wrong. You can be wrong identifying which wave this is, but this can never be wrong. trust me, because if you are not familiar what elite wave is, please go and read the book. All right, you can even download the book from the PDF drive. It's called elite wave, and you just type elite wave and it's gonna pop up. So what this book mentions is that trading is basically human emotions. So buying and selling a specific commodity, instrument, whatever, based on what the current sentiment, how people see what's going to, how it's happening, what's going to happen, and based upon their emotions, they basically buy and sell. And when everybody is selling, it's like, let's go back over here. Let me give an example on Bitcoin. I say this to all my batch, beginner batch students, and even the guys in the premium group. I say to them, even I keep on repeating this on the live stream too, that you buy when you don't wanna buy and you sell when you don't wanna sell. What that means is that at a point where this is extremely overbought, first there is oversold area, then there is this is oversold area, this is extremely oversold area, and usually around extremely oversold area you get reversals, okay, or retracements, and getting an entry on that is really hard. But there's a way. If you have a specific trading setup that you have made which can help you with, not like, it can be anything. It can either be Fibonacci, divergence, moving average, RSI, CCI, Bollinger Band, God knows what kind of a ICT, SMC, do whatever you like. If it helps you, like, okay, this is happening, you need to do this, immediately adopt that. Apply what works for you. Listen, I know ICT, I know SMC, but it doesn't work for me, so I stay away from it. I don't like trading with those things because those things are not stable, okay? They have high error rate. Error happens a lot over there. So I stay away from that. So I bought around here when nobody wanted to buy. It was a risk, but I didn't take my scalp profits and I left that trade open. Why? Because I spotted divergence over here. What did I spot? I saw a hidden bearish divergence, then I saw a normal hidden bullish divergence, then I saw a normal bullish divergence. Not just once, not just twice, but 4 times I saw divergence, okay? 3 of them were hidden, 1 of them was normal bullish, and I just bought in. If you just know divergence, you don't need anything else. But the more stuff you can understand, the more you can apply to further improve your entry setup. Now people are gonna say, is he crazy? He's actually teaching you. No, I'm just telling you stuff, because I know even if I teach you this stuff, you're gonna probably forget. And let's just say nobody's teaching this stuff, right? Nobody's even telling you this stuff. I'm telling you this stuff away because I know what real knowledge is. I have lots of real knowledge. This is just the free knowledge which I'm giving away. So imagine the kind of knowledge I have which is waiting for you. And yes, it has a price tag on it because I charge of my time, not of my knowledge. Knowledge is absolutely free. Unfortunately, I got bills to pay too, But I know and I care about people. This is why I try to stream, and I try to educate people, because there are lots of people out there that are totally scamming other people. They're teaching them ICT, SMC. This is bullshit stuff. If you probably tell a guy who's in the Wall Street that fucking I know I'm trading from ICT, SMC, he's gonna, give you that look and he's gonna say, listen, buddy, you see that over there? That's the exit door. Hallelujah. So you need to understand and be mature enough. Nobody, trades on that fucking thing. Coming back to where I was. So this is Tesla stock, and we have around 18 minutes left for the New York Stock Exchange to open. And I'm going to exactly tell you what's going to happen based upon the data, not based upon listen, first of all, nobody have a fucking magic ball to tell you that, oh, it's going to go up, come down. It's data, okay? Data changes. The kind of a data we got, the kind of a sentiment news we got on the New Year's Day, where New Orleans attack happened and the Trump Tower Cybertruck blast happened, it was all just before that normal. Okay, everything was in a recovery mode. Nasdaq 100, S&P 500, it was in a recovery mode. And right after that incident, when the market opened on Thursday, probably the day we got unemployment claims and what do you say, USD PMI. Before that, when we got unemployment, after an hour, stock exchange opened, boom, dropped. Boom, Tesla dropped. Share drop. And like the stock market, look at S&P 500, Nasdaq 100, look at Nasdaq 100. It's dropping, man. It's dropped. Bam. What you gonna do about it? It dropped. Let me turn on the market session so you guys can see. Alright. This was the New York Open. New York Open, boom, down. And then it ended over here. And now it's just waiting. And you know what's gonna happen? Today too is gonna drop. And I'm actually telling you this for just 50 minutes left. Just go on Nasdaq 100. Just go on S&P 500. Just go, and just place a sell order right now. Put a stop loss over here. What you gonna think happen? What's the worst? You guys, I say always think about the positive, and positive stuff's gonna happen. Think about the negatives, negative thing gonna happen. I know it's gonna drop. Think positive. It's gonna go here. Put a sell. Put a stop loss here, because stop loss is your friend, and no stop loss is your ex-girlfriend. Okay? Yeah, I say this. Ex-girlfriend eats away your money, right? So this is why she's ex for a reason. Yeah, jokes apart, this is what you do, right? You stay focused, you sell over here, and you just let it run. You trust yourself. Here's S&P 500. What we have over here? Open it up. What the hell? Oh, this is day one, sorry. 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Same thing over here. Look at this, yesterday. As soon as the New York opened, it just dropped down. Why? Because of the New York incident, the Trump Tower Cybertruck incident, a blast, and the New Orleans, shooting. So sentiments have an effect on the market. So you need to watch any news channel, You have to keep yourself up there. Nobody is gonna fucking come and tell you what to do. You have to figure everything out yourself. I'm here. I did not, but from now onwards, I will try to update this. Listen, if I make 5-minute, 3-minute video of each and everything, then what's the point of actually learning? If you want to learn, do the analysis, you have to sit down and figure out, okay, if I want to make profits, what I need to do is list down all the data that's gonna affect my trading. Trading is not just trading on high impact news. Trading is like anything can happen any moment. So if I have an active trade running on S&P 500 or Nasdaq 100 or any gold or whatever you want, what are the things that's going to affect that trade? Besides the high impact news, you have to consider all the risks that are out there in the real world, not just on the candles, not just on the chart, but also in the real world out there. And the only way to do that is to watch a news channel besides watching other business news channel. You have to watch the so-called news channel. I'm not promoting anything, I'm just telling you guys what you guys need to do. And let's go back to gold. Gold is dropping. See, if you were able to, because I told you guys, if you were able to open a sell over here, congratulations, you're making money. What's the worst that can happen? Is go up, right? If it is stop loss, okay, open another sell. Put a stop loss, manage it. Put your stop loss 40-50 pips away. And just give me 1 minute. I'm going to ask some questions. Answer some questions. Okay guys, so before I say anything, I'm giving a shout out to BTCC. It's a crypto broker. They crypto exchange. They are around since 2011 June, and it's been 15 years since it's 2025 started. It's been 15 years in the market, really well reputed. They are licensed and regulated not only in Europe, Canada, but also in America and US. Besides this, there is no KYC, so you can trade without any problem. Plus there is 500 leverage, the highest leverage any exchange, crypto exchange giving out there. So if you are a veteran trader or professional trader who knows how to trade, probably you can make your way around this. And yeah, I'm gonna be streaming, what do you say, live streaming crypto on live account, and that is sponsored by them, so that's a good thing. I will be, what do you say, giving links. If you want a link to the BTCC broker, if you go down in the bio, you can use my referral code and you can take advantage of it. There are lots of nice things, so don't worry about that. I will be live streaming on crypto on live account soon on the broker, so I'm gonna keep you guys update on that. Nothing to worry about that. So let's move on to our live stream. Okay, so the stock exchange is about to open in 1 minute. Let's just quickly go to Tesla. If you are somebody who's trading Tesla or MicroStrategy, since the shit happened on Tesla, I'm gonna keep an eye because Tesla is hot as fuck. So probably, yeah, Tesla too, I think, will have an effect on Bitcoin. I don't know why I'm feeling like this, because of Elon Musk and Donald Trump, ex crypto. It's strange how the world works, man. But let's see, man. MicroStrategy. First, I'm gonna look at Tesla, and then we're gonna look at MicroStrategy. Just 1 minute left. Okay, it opened. It opened with a little gap up. It's a gap positive. Let's go quickly at my MicroStrategy. Okay, here we are. Okay, the market opened with a gap upward. It's a nice thing. Bitcoin is gonna pump on this, but it just pumped up, open up. It's a positive. Let me fill in the gap so we exactly know if it's filling in the gap. Why is filling? Is either filling a gap upward or downward. There is a gap over here, so now we know that if it moves, it moves towards a certain area. Why is moving? If there is a buy or a sell gap. Anyways, this was the previous this gap actually got filled in. Yeah, this was the previous gap which got almost 70-80% it got filled in. Now they have a, what do you say, oh, this, look at this also got revised. This is what happens when the gap get revised. Anyways, a small gap got filled in, so, and then we have a nice gap over here. It's gonna also get revised in. Anyways, MicroStrategy is going up, and if you wanna buy it, you can buy it. I think this is a nice buy. It's gonna go up till 33.30, and it has a potential actually to go up till 365. It's a nice swing. I say I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Yes, I think this is a Ponzi scheme. If I switch it on to intraday, I think this is still a Ponzi scheme. It will surely retrace back to 334, if not so. So yeah, so much happening. I mean, gold, Bitcoin, MicroStrategy, Tesla. Holy shit, man! Who does this? Who does this? So coming back to MSTR MicroStrategy, so here you have it, everything in front of you. Hit the like button and hit the subscription button if you find this information helpful. Hit the like button, guys, it really helps. It helps the stream. Let's head back to gold. If you guys have any question, if you want any analysis, just drop a message on the chat, and once I get free, I'm gonna take a look at it. In the meanwhile, let me go and ask some questions. This is a really nice area for sale, by the way. I'll be right back. I'm here just answering some questions. It was done and done. What do you mean done and done? Okay, I don't know what that means. Okay guys, before I forget, I am posting the link again. This is the link I posted on the chat. This link is for a free airdrop on a coin. This is just an invitation. And by the way, I'm just getting if you think, oh, I'm making money off it, no, I'm probably getting like craps shit stuff, like it's not even worth it. But I'm just sharing the invitation code, so you guys don't need to go here and there and search. Just click on this link, go and grab the free airdrop. It's a coin, it just got released today. It has high potential, probably won't even take anything, just will take you less than 10 seconds. You just click on it and grab the airdrop. This coin is, as soon as it goes live on Binance, Bitget and other platforms, is gonna just increase in value. Crypto is the future. So why you guys are missing the airdrops? You guys should have an habit of scrolling into the memes rather than scrolling on Instagram, on YouTube Reels. Make a habit of scrolling through various airdrops, because your time will then be rewarded. Prepare for your future today. Don't prepare your future in the future. Don't be late. You were late in 2021, 2, 3, 24 went by. 25 started. When will you plan for your life? Start planning now. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Click the bell notification, stay updated. I'm posting stuff daily. I'll be posting stuff on MicroStrategy, Tesla stocks now. I'll be keeping update on gold. I'll be keep updating on Bitcoin. What else you want? If you want signals, you can, you get one daily free signal in London and New York already on gold. If you want more than that, join the premium group. You will get 2 to 5 signals, not just on gold, silver, Bitcoin, crude oil, Forex, God knows, Nasdaq, S&P 500. You get analysis with it. Alongside, you will get a Discord voice channel where guys are sitting talking with each other. Man, come on, man, it's a whole community. And it's expanding. We are expanding day by day. New people are joining. Just think if it's like a private club, join it. Be around people who actually value their time. They wanna, do something. Don't sit around with people who talk shit, who talk about stuff, but that never happens, Be with positive people. You'll be around with positive people is gonna change your mindset, is gonna increase your chances of being the profit. Don't be an average trader. Average trader always loses money. If you wanna come out of that average trader mindset, you have to be in a group. Sorry, if you don't wanna be here, just go anywhere else, but be in a group of like-minded people. If you wanna be that lone warrior, lone trader sitting in his 4x4 room, or if you say, no, I'm gonna go out, sit somewhere in a nice Starbucks or local cafe, those things are not gonna work out for you. You need to be in a group of people that helps you, grow. Nobody grows in a fucking box. You need to grow in an environment. Even if a flower you put in a damn fucking small box in a 4x4, if it doesn't get sunlight, doesn't get air, doesn't get the soil, it won't grow. Hey, what's up, miss you? What's up, man? I'm fine. What's up with you? Bitcoin is going up, gold is going down. I'm doing analysis, baby. I'm on fire. We are selling gold. I'm selling gold since Tokyo morning. Even get premium signal and the guys make profit. We are making profit here, there, everywhere, man. Let's go. What happened, guys? Just waiting for the gold to drop. Bro, don't wait for it. It's gonna go drop. What? On live stream, what? What happened? Hello? I thought the live stream ended because I've been having some internet issues over here lately because the damn matrix is trying to do something. Anyways, let's head back to Bitcoin because we have to keep an eye on a lot of stuff. Okay, so day one candle is green. This is if you are selling Bitcoin, look at this day one green. I mean, I was on a buy over here. And then you should ask yourself, why the hell are you selling when it's going up? If you're a price action trader, I don't care if you're ICT SMC. Just if you're a price action, even if you're not a price action trader, just look at this. Why would you want to sell over here? I mean, you can on a 5-minute, but why here? Why now? Why over here? It's going up, buddy. Let me wake up the guys. Okay, let's go, baby. Let's go. Why now? When is going up? And I said, yeah, I'm gonna continue from where I left. On 80 Jan or 19 he's getting inaugurated. We have 2 weeks. In these 2 weeks, Bitcoin is gonna pump. Is gonna be a pump rally. And the thing is that you don't want to be late in the rally. If you are somebody who got from here, this zone, really nice. If you are somebody who got from here, really nice. But if you are somebody who is buying from the top, then you are an idiot. No, I mean, you are an idiot. Even if you make profits, you are a profitable idiot. I mean, you had plenty of time. Gold is going up. Gold is not going up. It's called gold is doing a retracement. I say this all the time to people. Listen to me. This is intraday time frame. Okay, gold goes up when it breaks 2665. Okay, that is Tokyo high. Right now this is a retracement, and by the way, I just said to you guys, we have a really strong area. This green line, sorry, this blue line you see is not just an ordinary blue line. This is last month, which means December resistance. Close everything. Let's jump into the monthly candle. What do you see this? This is, what is this? Last month resistance. You think it would be that easy? Okay, it will take some time. Even if it takes 8 hours to break above a little bit. But we have a specific area. The area I've been saying, if it goes above 2665, then it's bullish. Right now it's still bullish. I said below 2620 is bearish, above 2650 is bullish, but right now we are stuck in this area because right around this corner we don't have just have December high which is acting as a resistance. We have a November low which is like support. I mean, come on man, you have two things over here. You have November support X, you have December resistance, baby, which is double trouble for buyers, man. I've been buying this. I bought over here. I was on a buy over here. By the way, guys, I forgot to put this shit up. I was on a buy over here because it was a push up. Why this for? I was on a buy even then. There was a line over here. As I said over here, look at this. This is Elliott wave pattern, right? This was the fifth impulse wave, and right when the fifth impulse wave completed, we have an ABC rejection. I don't know how much is gonna fall, but it is expected to fall till at least 2620. Why? Because we are still in a damn range. Yes, we are in a still damn range. If it falls back to 2600, I won't be surprised because we are still in a damn range. Look at this, man. Look at this. We are still in a range. Didn't I told you? I post. Wait a second. Did you guys saw my weekly gold analysis? And the answer is no. Guys, come on. I post that shit for you, and you guys don't look at it. I put hours and hours into analysis and work, so you guys can actually make it. It's absolutely free, and you guys don't have effort on it. Why? Because the channel is not growing. Because I don't have 100k subscribers, so you're not gonna fucking take me seriously, for fuck's sake. Come on, man. I've been doing this shit for more than a decade. Trust me. There are always two probable outcomes, and we'll try to always keep up with the data. I was saying over here when it dropped over here that intraday trader, go look at my last weekly analysis. I said specifically when the price was around here that people who are trading need to make sure that if they are buying or selling, especially intraday trader, they need to manage their risk till 2671 and 2655. I said this not once, more than 20 times in the damn weekly analysis, even on the live stream. I was again and again and again and again, and even I said, people are saying, why is going up, why is going up, why is going up? I said the reason it's going up is because of technical buying. Nothing has, I mean, good news is bad news is good news now. If you guys remembered over here, China stimulus, all the data was bearish. Why the fuck was it going up? Because China was buying. They don't give a shit what the data is coming. Buy the rumor, sell the news. But over here it was fucking buy the news, fucking sell the rumor. But that these games keep on changing. Over here, nobody gives a fuck about the news anymore. Why? Even yesterday it was unemployment, right? What was the unemployment data? It was bearish for gold. Gold was supposed to drop down. It just went up. So I'm saying it's technical buying. So you need to work your way around the data. You should think outside of the box. Just not stick to one thing. Okay, I'm gonna keep up with the technicals. Oh, I'm gonna keep up with the fundamentals. I'm gonna keep up with the... No, you have to think about everything at the same time. Oh, I cannot. Then how the hell you think you gonna... Those guys on the Wall Street, they're more smart than you. They have $180 million worth of algos, man. That's doing everything on a fucking microsecond. Probably opening thousands of trade. Even while I'm saying one word, 80 or 100,000 trades are being opened and closed simultaneously. Scalping on those huge as lot sizes, making money for those big banks. And here I am trying to put some sense in you guys, and you guys won't even listen. So whose loss is it? Is my loss or your loss? So try to understand these things, man. 2025 otherwise gonna pass away just like that, just like another 1 year gone by. And by the way, hit the like button. 7 people are watching, can't even like the stream. I get angry over these things. Why? Because people need to take this stuff seriously. Nobody is gonna come and feed you profits in the mouth. You have to figure that out yourself. If you're not smart enough, nobody is smart enough. Nobody is born smart. You have to up your game. You have to learn. You have to. I'm teaching you, right? Who the hell is teaching you out there? Nobody. Everybody put fucking thumbnails trying to scare you, clickbait. No, waste your time. 2024 get wasted. It's just everybody is just, you know what is what's called audience, milking audience. It's like they waste the time of the audience. They just talk about something and make you watch a damn fucking 30-minute video, and in the end you're like, what the fuck did I understand? Nothing. He just wasted my time. I don't like to waste anybody's time. This is why I'm working so hard and filling you up everything. You go watch any damn one channel, any guy who has even 1 million or 400 or 100k or 80 or 50, God knows, even 5,000 or 10,000 subscribers. Will you tell you this much? No. He will hide this information. Why? Because for his, this information is everything. Yeah, this in 21st century, information is everything. If I have knowledge, let's just say I was standing under the Trump Tower, okay, and immediately I saw that fucking the Cybertruck blast away. I have that news. Nobody have. Not even the damn news channel has. Guess what? I'm gonna start making calls to those news channels. I have a breaking news. I have a video of the Cybertruck blasting under the Donald Trump Tower. How much you gonna pay me for the video? And suddenly people are gonna say, start betting this much. So that guy made profit over there. You have to be smart enough to understand what to do, when to do at the right time, and be at the right place at the right time. Now that guy who was probably standing over there waiting for his, Uber or whatever, but he saw this, he cashed out this situation. Yes, there are people who actually sold those videos for thousands of dollars to those media channels. You think they'll actually put it away on their Twitter? They themselves know that, if their content, somebody else will, take their content and play it on their news channel. So why rather not? So this is how the real world works. Like, everybody makes money. So you need to, be smart enough to understand these things. But no, you guys won't think that far much. So why? Because you guys were trained by, Matrix made you in a way to, think you in a limited way. So I am trying to open up your mind so you guys can think outside of the box and hit the like button, for heaven's sake. I need a glass of water and you guys need a 1 minute break before I keep blasting you off 1 hour straight. I need a glass of water. I'll be right back. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell notification to stay updated whenever I go live. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Oh, so people left. So see, those 3 people who left, they weren't patient enough. That's why they left. And yeah, what were you saying, Preeti? Gold is going up. Now look at gold. It did a retracement, right? So this is what I say. This is a retracement. Just forget there is anything. Now look at this 5 minute. I need you to tell me what's happening. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now lower high. This is what's happening, right? And this is 5 minutes. And if, let's just say, gold was at 2647, it went up at 2652. That's just like 50, 60 pips. It's a normal move. It's not going as just a correction or a retracement or whatever you want to call it. So this is not like something that you shouldn't be worried about. This is normal. Look at this. This is November low, which is a support area. This is December high, which is an resistance area. These both are a barrier. They're gonna stop. I mean, retail traders, don't talk about them, okay? Retail traders don't even know what the fuck they are doing. Yeah, those retail traders, they just open up at the chart and they don't even see the news. They don't know what's happening around the world. They don't even remember what was the data that came last month. They probably don't even know what the data is that's coming next week in NFP. Even they don't know what's gonna come that week after that and the week after that. And they don't even remember what was the last week NFP and unemployment rate and the year before that. And what's the Fed inflation target and what Fed is thinking, either rate cut, rate pause, all those things simultaneously at the same time. Why you are long? Damn it, why you are long? You know who you are. Hold on a second. I'll tell you who you are. Wait a second. Wait a second. I'll exactly tell you what you are. Hold on a second. Just stay with me. And you, probably the guys who watch my stream all the time, they want to. You are this. He bought dump it. You are this dude. The Bodgoff, you are the liquidity. You are the Bodgoff's liquidity. You are the Bodgoff's. I'm not making fun of you. I'm just putting sense in you. Close that long and sell it from over here. Yeah, I'm not gonna sell my ego. No, man, come on. You're either wrong or you're either right. There's nothing in between. Your ego should not be the size of the mountain. You should be realistic. Okay? Let's just say you're working in a company, you are doing accounts, okay, or you are a doctor, or you're a pilot, or you are a lawyer, and they just say this law, this is like this. If the pilot say your altitude is high above, please slow before, or doctors say, sir, you know what, you are actually, you should, take a break, you are stressed up, you can, do it properly, anything, any work, any accountant made a mistake in his books, he can correct it. Trading, you make a mistake, you lose money, boom. Equity decrease, then you are fucking losing your shit. Oh my god, what the hell am I doing? What did I do wrong? No, this is what happens. And if you can correct it, if you can cut your finger so your hand doesn't cut, do it. 10 seconds and the data is coming. Okay, the data is here now, and boom, it's going down now. Good news is bad news, bad news is good news. I need to see the data. Okay. US equity. Okay. 49.3. Good news is bad news, bad news is good news. So gold is continuing to drop down. Please close that long, and just prepare to sell it. Please, it's Friday after all, so if it's dropped down, it's gonna drop like hell, and then you're gonna think, why the hell I didn't close my long. I'm not trying to scare you, I'm trying to put some sense in you. But if you have a short term long, it can go up, it has potential to go up, just let it go. Okay? But I'll do. Yeah, I know your intentions were good. That was right. That was the best thing, best decision. I'm not against it, but I'm saying right, just not now on the ISM. Please, no, don't risk it. If this thing start dropping down, it's gonna drop like a fucking hammer. It's gonna drop down to the pits of fucking hell. I mean 2620, if you wanna know exactly what hell means on current sideways chart. The hell is 2620? Okay, guys. So if you guys, what the hell just happened over here? By the way, guys, join the Telegram group. The link is given in Linktree. Follow it up. By the way, if you want to take the Pro Wolf Trader 6 batch, which is starting from 1st February, you have probably 1 whole month to figure out, save money, and to take the course. 1 whole month. But if you just want to make some profits, better join the premium Signal subscription group, which not only have Signal access but also access to premium Discord voice channels, where there is a trading VC where we live trade, sit and do and provide trading analysis and the answers to all your problem and worries and on-demand analysis whatsoever, blah blah blah. Okay. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit on the notification bell to stay updated whenever I post live video or any video regarding MSTR, Tesla, MicroStrategy, Bitcoin, gold, anything you want. You can also message me up. Gold is dropping down, it is dropping down. I hope you close that long and you are in a sell, because it's gonna drop like hell. Bitcoin is just pumping. It's gonna keep on pumping. Yep. Gold is dropping. It's not gonna stop. Let me write down. If after telling you everything, you still were a man, not able to make profits, then you need to seriously sit down and self-evaluate, like what the hell you are doing. I'm not going against you. Even the buy over here makes sense, can come up. But seriously, if you didn't sell from here and made profits, this you need to do seriously, because over here I just saw one candle and that's it, and a second candle over here. All I see are big red candles, and I say it all the time: sell is temporary, buy is permanent. But when the buy happens, it happens on a really larger scale. One candle is like 100 pips, not less than 100 pips. That means 100 pip bearish candle. So you need to take your trading seriously. And yeah, you make more money on sell than gold. But if you are on the wrong side, if you are holding on a long while the market is dropping, it's gonna hurt like a bitch. Sorry, there's no other way to say this thing so nicely and politely. I'm gonna use what is the appropriate. And by the way, yeah, it's going up, but it's gonna go down any moment now. This is called a rug pull. And it happens so quickly, you don't even have time. If it's happening slowly, you say, okay, my long is absolutely all right, I'll just gonna let it go, it's gonna go up, and you just just keep on waiting, and then boom, like this. Because it goes up, it comes down, it goes up, it comes down. It's like a rubber band effect. And I just pray that gold goes up, it goes all the way up. I just pray for everybody, but if it doesn't happen, you need to have a sideway plan, plan B. In this market, you should always have a plan B. I'm just trying to help you out, man. Anyway, guys, join the Telegram group. There's the link. Let me send you the link. Telegram link. Here's the Telegram link, guys. Join the Telegram group. If you wanna join the Discord group, go on my LinkedIn. The message is pinned over there, and just join it up. And by the way, let me just switch to 15 minutes. This is what I was talking about. This exactly over here. Let me turn off everything that's distracting right now. This thing. I know you bought it over here. I don't know where your TP is, but I don't think a push will be as high as above 2652. But if it happens, I mean, I'm happy for you. But I already took my partial profit. I mean, this signal was shared, and let me, where is that? Here it is. Is this the right? Yep, it is. Here's the sell signal on gold. And I gave this gold signal, it's been more than 10 hours. Okay. Here's the signal. Oh my god, not these. Here's the sell signal. It's been more than 10 hours, right? No, not 10 hours. I gave like 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. 6 hours. 6 hours. Take 6, 7 hours. Okay. And almost it went to 43. It means 4 TPs have already been hit. This is just gold. We have trades running on. There are several trades running. Euro USD, Euro JPY, GBP JPY, Crude, this, that. I mean, stuff is going on in the back. Today I'm gonna stream for longer, so no need to worry. At least 5-6 hours, because I wanna stream today. Today is the last day of the week. I wanna see who actually watches the stream. Who's here till the end of the New York session? Who's there asking me questions, because I'm gonna be giving away some subscriptions and gifts at the end of this month. Those people who are active on the YouTube chat. Bitcoin is going up. Yep, it's going up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. See how it's dying, slowly is dying. Let me head back to 5 minutes. This is what I was talking about. It's like this. Imagine a snake. You live in a forest, right? Probably saw lots of snake. This is a snake crawling down. I'm not joking. I say this a lot of time to a lot of people. When gold drop, it drops like a snake crawling through a sand. You see the patterns a snake makes on a drop. So imagine that snake making this pattern. So what you're gonna do is, on the top over here, sell over here, sell here, sell here, sell here. These are your areas where you have to sell. See this? These over here, see this? These are snake. See, now it's dropping. This is what I'm trying to teach you. You need to sit down, remove all indicators, everything. Just keep on staring a 1 minute or a 5 minute, time frame. you'll learn a lot. At least you need to do this 1 hour every day, late night, before going to bed. It's like, those dude, they hypnotize people, like in those old movies, like a clock. Tick tock, tick. You need to sit down an hour on a 5 minute or a 1 minute, put on some, soft music, like wait a second, I'm gonna play some music so you guys have an idea what kind of a music I'm talking about. You need to play, to get in there, to understand. You need to see the Matrix code. You have seen the Matrix movie? Yeah, you need to actually do that shit. Where is that media source? The music, I'm adding it up, hold on a second. And I will give the credit. Yeah, this is a free music which you can play on the background. The credit goes to the guy who made this. Let me find it up. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Damn it. Here it is. Here it is. You guys ready? Let's do this. Can you guys hear this? Okay. I think I can't hear this. Can you guys hear this? No, I think no. Can you guys hear the music or just me? Okay. Okay, I don't know. Oh, you can hear. Oh, no, I can't hear it actually. So you need to put this kind of a music. Okay. 1 hour, just watch the candle move. Just on a 5 minute or a 1 minute. Daily, if you do this, daily, either you're gonna sleep really nice or you're gonna actually start seeing, stuff. You're gonna start seeing the matrix code lines, and then if you can start seeing that thing, then apply whatever knowledge you want on top of that, and you're gonna do wonders, man. Let me stop the music. Okay. Oh damn, I'm sick. Anyways, guys, if you want to join the 6th batch of Pro Wolf Trader, you got 1 whole month. There are 20 seats available only. I'm not gonna accept anybody who makes fees late after 31st of January. You have 1 whole month to figure out that fees, the detail, the topics, everything is on the Telegram group and on Discord. Besides that, we have premium subscription Signal membership, which includes Signal access to Signal group and premium Discord and a lot of bunch other stuff, analysis and updates, trade management, risk management, just at the starting price of $100 per month. And you can also avail discounts. I have coupons. I have 6 coupons left. You can avail it. Anything can pop up on that coupon. It's totally depends. It can either be an additional few days in the premium membership or a slightly bit of discount. Or if you are lucky, you might win a free cash. Gold is further dropping down, further hence proving that everything happened for a reason. Just look at 1 hourly gold is just dropping by. And I have nothing to worry because our trades are put in accordance and our trade is actually running on break even. So even if the price decides to just pump up, all we gonna do, that happens to us is gonna hit break even, because we already took profits, partial profits till TP 1 2 3 4, and our trade is hit running because we are running risk free trade, and it's Friday and it's feeling good. And you should feel good too if you are in the premium group. Congrats, buddy. You made profit with us. The Wolf Pack made profit. So what are you guys waiting for? Join it and start making profits. I'm gonna be closing. There's a currently group. Okay, I made a new group. I'm focusing on that. If you wanna be a part of it, currently there are 3 groups. I made up a 4th group and I'm focusing on that. And I'm moving all the groups now on Swap. So because it's getting really hard to manage on Telegram, I'm moving up over there. I'm removing Signal group from Telegram and moving up on Swap. So it's easier for me to manage, and I have people who message, and easy for me and my team to manage. In short, we are growing. We needed to do this at some point. I decided to do it earlier on, because if we do it any further on, because the rate at which our community is growing, inshallah after 1 year we'll be sitting nearly around 100, not anything but at least 100k subscribers, and lots of at least around 40 to 60k subscribers on Telegram. Because from now onwards I will try to stream 7-8 hours, but I will only come in New York session. I have a team which I've been training and been preparing for. They're gonna be streaming from pre-London to New York, and in New York I will comment it. I will even come in between an hour or half an hour during London session. So it's gonna be a whole day of trading. So if you are busy or at work, or get back home, you'll always find Pro Wolf Trader just one click away from your mobile phone. Any question you have, just pop up on the live stream and ask me. And if you guys want to experience the premium, you can join it up and ask our team or me when I'm free and available. By the way, it's Friday and we already made profit at this week was filled with last week was filled with holidays and New Year. We saw what drama happened on New Year's holiday, the Orleans shooting and the blast on under the Trump Tower. That was enough to tell me what the hell we are going into January. So I prepared myself in advance. It's gonna be a really profitable month and a year, I'm telling you. So please be serious and join a group, either a Pro Wolf Trader or any other group. But please take your trading seriously, man. There are lots of free material out there. Even my live stream has enough. And if you're just messaging me, like people do all the time, that what's gonna happen is gonna go up and down, I'm not gonna reply you. I have several messages, thousands of messages, not 1,000 actually, 100 at least. 70-80 people message me in an hour. During the phase of my live stream, some of them are spam, majority of them are haters. Almost 60 to 70% are haters. 10 to 15 people appreciate, thank me for helping them out. 10% they wanna they ask me out. So yeah, there are all kind of people out there. If you just message me asking something, just go. If you just watch my stream from the beginning, you're gonna find all your answers. Go watch my stream from the beginning. All your questions, their answer include from the start of my stream. And please stop fucking selling when the market is pumping, and stop buying when the market is dumping. Because I already gave my analysis on Bitcoin and on gold, and I don't need to individually do that again and again over and again. It's a headache. I'm gonna relax now. If you guys have any questions regarding understanding how trading works, ask me. Right now I'm getting several messages Ask me the question that I wanna listen. I wanna hear you guys ask. Not like, is it gonna go up? Is it gonna go down? Miss you. What the fuck is this retracement, bro? I saw this message late. Sorry, I like saw your message like half an hour later. This is this is what you call a lower low, lower high, lower low. So when a lower high is forming, this is the lower high retracement. So yeah, it's not something that you're like, what the fuck is this is the shit that you need to understand. This is the shit that is gonna make you money. If you're doing what everybody else is doing, then you won't be making money. Understand that. No matter how much time you spend in the market. And there is no nice way and easy way to tell the truth. Because the truth will hurt, but it's gonna make you, what you call, there's a saying. That the truth might hurt you, but it's gonna set you free. So yeah, it does. It will. Gold, I just see gold at 2620 at the end of the New York session. I might be wrong, but at least I'm right till take profit 4, which is 2642. So I'm right till here. I might be wrong after 2640 it goes up, but at least till TP4 I'm right. Take profit. And you thought that those guys who are in the premium group, what they're doing, they're making money. They're just taking the signals, making money. Their life is easy. They're on work, they're driving car, they or they're doing whatever the hell they are in their life, busy. They get a message, they just buy and sell at that, and they just let it leave. And in a couple of hours they just open up and just book their profits. That's their life. Simple as that. If you want your life be that simple and profitable, join the premium subscription. Nobody is stopping you from making money over there. Signal is coming, you take it, you make money. It's not like you're not gonna make profit on every trade. One or two trade might hit stop loss, but 90% of the time your trade is gonna be profitable. So it's you have to make those choices. Either you make it professionally, or you make it by yourself. Hit the like button, guys. Come on. I've been streaming for 2 hours, only 4 likes. More than 50, 60 people have watched my stream, and I only have 4 likes. What is this? You guys don't have a heart in your chest? At least hit the like button. If you don't want to subscribe, at least like the button. It helps the stream, man. My stream will be recommended to people out there who are watching. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for liking. I didn't have to say it, but thank you. By the way, we have a natural gas data releasing in when is natural gas coming out? I think it's coming out now. Anytime. Uh, Okay, so the natural gas is gonna come at 8:30. It's just 4 minutes left. I think natural gas has potential to drop further on. I think this news, this natural gas data that we are about to get is just gonna drop it further on. That was fun. One minute remaining for natural gas data. And then we are off, baby. By the way, guys, I'll be streaming on live crypto exchange maybe from tomorrow. Tomorrow. Tonight or tomorrow. Tonight seems fine. Yeah, tonight. Maybe tomorrow morning or tomorrow. I don't know. Tomorrow is fine. And I'm doing a basically. I have a collab with BTCC exchange. It's a crypto exchange. And I'm gonna be streaming on their platform live tomorrow. 10 seconds for the data. Here it comes any moment now. Natural gas, let's go. Draw 116 BCF. Higher than its draw is higher. So it's gonna keep on dropping now. The draw is higher than expected. Okay, so yep, it's dropping further on. It's gonna keep on dropping. Net gas is gonna keep on dropping. Let's just head on to gold. Same stuff. I recommend, I suggest you guys stick on 15-minute time frame to avoid any manipulation, you know, to avoid any errors. Just stay on the 15-minute time frame. Easy, man. Easy. Let's what do you call? Let's move from natural gas to Bitcoin now. Bitcoin looking at price action is looking good. It's looking good. Look at this. This thing is gonna be at 100k in till next Friday, I assume. Yes, or it might not be till like next 2 weeks, but I'm sure that is gonna be somewhere around 98 to 102, 104. If it goes quickly to 108k till next Friday, not 100k. So yeah, it's heading up. That's all that matters. Let's go back. Let's do a small recap of all that stuff that happened in the past month and the month before that. Let's recall the first time we saw it break previous all-time high, which was around 99. It went up, okay, and then it came down. But while it was coming down, this was right before the start of the Tokyo session, the market just suddenly dropped from 99 to 91,000, almost $10,000 drop in 5 seconds. And I closed my short an hour ago before Tokyo Open, right around the corner, and I was regretting closing my short, because if I would have not closed that short, I would have made 2x more money. But I closed it. I said I'm not gonna try to be greedy because it has potential to go up. Probably if I do a recap, it looked like something like this. I said, okay, it dropped down. I think it's gonna pump up, looking at 4-hourly candle on the left side, which is a huge bullish candle. Let me just take this small scalp sell profit, and that's it. I'm not trying to be greedy, and boom, 5-second drops over here, sorry, this one over here. Not trying to be greedy. It has potential. There is a support over here on the left side. It can go up, it can go, and I close my trade. And now, after an hour later, Tokyo Open, boom, 5-second drop. I don't know what this was. This was a liquidity grab. Holy shit. And it just went up crazy. The pullback was crazy from 91 up till 97. Damn. Then it went up all-time high as usual over here. It reached, and I started warning people, it's time to sell. It's a panic. We sold it. And right around here, when I opened the social media, I opened YouTube, I opened Instagram, I opened the news channel. Even my neighbors who don't even have any knowledge about crypto trading is coming and saying to me, Look, it went up, it's going up. I have a rule. If my neighbor who doesn't know shit about trading is talking about buying Bitcoin with me, that's the time. Time to sell. What do you say? Bitcoin, because it's dropping down. It's time to buy. Because at that time, all the influencers, everybody was saying it's dropping. The dump is coming to 8K. Even I was like, okay, it has potential. But everything happens for a reason. If this drops, it's gonna drop because either the MicroStrategy is gonna fuck up, or either Trump is not gonna fulfill his promise of making Bitcoin, buying Bitcoin as a reserve, asset to clear off the debt. I mean, it will be something from their end. Everything happens for a reason. Everything that happens for a reason. And if you don't know the reason behind it, then you won't be making profit, because if you have the answers to those whys, that's when you will see money start coming in your account, your profit coming in, your equity growing. So you need to get answers to those whys, and the only way that you can achieve that is by doing your own research. Simple as that, isn't it? But people make it so hard for themselves. Now just look at Bitcoin. Now looking at this, let me remove this menace over here. Also this. Just doing a quick checkup. So anyways, as I was saying, we have 2 weeks. 2 weeks. That countdown to 2 weeks. So this is the rally. And if you want to sell, I mean, good luck. I'm not selling this thing. Because why I'm not selling? Hidden bullish divergence, normal bullish divergence, hidden bullish. Come on, man. It's like, why the hell you want to jump from a building when everybody who is smart enough taking the elevator way down? But now reverse that. Why do you wanna climb? Sorry, why you wanna jump? Sorry, what the hell am I even saying? Why you wanna jump when everybody is climbing? Tell me. What will you achieve over here? What will you achieve? Tell me. I'm not against you. Yes, there are logical ways to scalp, but look at this buy mode. How the hell I'm gonna say? Look at this. It happens. It drop downs. It's really hard. It happens so quickly. You're not gonna be able to. I mean, if you want to stress yourself, go do that. I don't want to stress myself. I want easy. I want money coming in. You know. I want it coming in. I want it. You know, slow is the right way. If probably you are young, I get it. You are Gen Z young. I want to do it fast. If you are a Gen Z, God help you, brother. God help you. I'm not a Gen Z. Thank God. Thank God I'm not a Gen Z. I'm a relic. But thank God I'm not a Gen Z. I don't like doing things fast. I want to do it the right way. The fast way is the wrong way. So I prepared over here. I have been preparing myself here. You guys what? I took a sell over here. You see, I took a sell over here right after I got a hidden bearish divergence. Boom, I shorted here, took profits. Boom, I shorted here. But now something different. Now you have to, it's like going, this is our battleground. Donald Trump is coming in, baby. It's fucking coming in 2 weeks. November gone, December gone, it's happening finally in January and you want to sell. You lost your shit, bro. You wanna sell and then guess what? Stop loss gonna hit. Who's gonna blame you? The market is to be blamed. What the fuck you are doing, brother? Go wash your face with cold water. Go take a walk outside. Put some sense in your goddamn head. And you just step out of that damn room, step away from that monitor. You need to, put some fucking sense in that head. Sitting in front of the charts has fucked your mind. Congratulations. Now go refresh your mind. Boom. Well, I'm not that old actually. I'm young. I'm young. Bro, you know I don't get it. In today's what is in 2025, you should not be asking how old are you. You should be asking what color is your Bugatti. Nah, man, just joking around. No, I don't have a Bugatti, for fuck's sake. Well, I was born in the 80s, not in mid 80s, late 80s, so yeah. Who the fuck you crying, man? Come on, I'm not that old, for heaven's sake. Try to get one. What are you trying to say? How late? Dude, what the fuck is wrong with people, man? What does my age has to do with anything with trading? Personal questions, keep it away, bro. Oh, so I know you are not a bro, but even then, what does it matter? I'm already taken in. I already have a princess, Jasmine. No, man, I'm just... Holy shit, Bitcoin is... Look at the pump on Bitcoin. Dang. And by the way, this is you. Stuck in your... I'm nothing. I said nothing. No emotions were damaged. all the people who are messaging me regarding the Pro Trader 6 batch starting from next month, my team or I will reply after the stream, because I've been replying some few messages and I understood why it's not a wise decision to reply to messages while streaming, because those people are really some nasty fuckers and they got what they deserved. Seriously, I'm helping out people making money, helping other people make money, and they come and probably some Gen Z, or probably some guy who lost his money, who lost his trade, and he just can't see people profitable, and he just come on the DM, and I'm like, chill, bruh, chillax, take a deep breath, go in the balcony and jump. Don't do that, please, otherwise. Ah, man, holy shit. And everybody who's messaging to join the group, Pro Traders Premium Subscription Group, I will reply you or my team will reply you. Okay, in a minute, 5 minutes or 10, people are gone to pray. There's Salah. Some people are busy trading, so they will reply you. Okay, my team will reach out. I'm not replying to anybody more. I reply more than 15-20 messages, so please wait. Okay, just give it a 5 minute, 10 minute, they'll be back and they start replying to you guys. You want to join the group or you want to join the course? Let's just focus on making money, bros. Let's head back to natural gas. It's still dumping. Let me see my Euro JPY premium signal, which was giving in the group, is still running. TP1 heat. Okay, where is GBP JPY? Okay, TP1 hit also running. Where is that? Okay. Everything is fine. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Everything is fine. By the way, I need to know one questions. The guys who are watching the stream, how old are you? Because it really matters. Because if you put in, you need at least 2 years. Just make up your mind. You need 2 years. In these 2 years, you need to gather all the information, all the knowledge, read several tons. Don't expect to make huge amount of profit before 2 years, but you can make that huge amount of profit within 1 month if you join any signal group, not just mine, anybody out there. But just saying for the sake of helping you out, that if you have made up your mind that trading is a side hustle, at least expect the next 2 years is gonna be hell for you. But I think since Trump is back, I forgot to mention one more important thing. Since Donald Trump is back, you have to focus on the dollar instead of gold now. Gold is gonna drop now. It's like sell the gold, buy the dollar. You will be and Bitcoin just and see Bitcoin as you saw gold in 2024. The way you saw gold, just look at the Bitcoin till the end of 2025. I think Bitcoin will be valued above 300, at least in between 200 to 300k. I think till the end of second quarter, the price of Bitcoin will be above 160k. So if you are unable to acquire a Bitcoin, but if you are successfully able to acquire XRP, Pepe, Ponk, and all those meme coins, and also one more thing, biotech. People are ignoring bio. Nice. People are ignoring biotech, People should not ignore biotech, man. Guys, hit the like button, subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell so whenever I go live or post any videos, you guys stay updated. Hey, nice. So at least I don't know what you guys are studying. You probably okay. Azad, for fuck's sake, seriously, bro. Whatever you're studying, I say always trading should not be your full-time job. Trading should be a full-time job once you have enough equity. And if I mean by enough, I mean minimum $10,000. Even if you have 10,000, at least you should like have a job, because I know you are young. At least if you are that young, at least don't expect to do trading now. After the age of 30, maybe yes, till then you might save enough money, but at least for now, try to experience the corporate culture. Go out, make friends in the real world, hang around, go around, travel the world, see, experience life. If you end up a full-time trader, that's a really more, like a which requires you to stay update all the time, and it's high rewarding, but you'll miss life. You'll miss much that is happening in life, but of course that would be worth it because you'll have cash to spend. But it takes a lot of sacrifice, to be that much successful. Not everybody makes it out. 90% of people don't make it because those 90% people are lazy. They don't want to improve themselves. The 10% are the one who are dedicated, want to know, want to improve. They spend money not only on their education, but they even attend seminars. Okay, I paid $3,000, $5,000 seminar for 2 hours, 1 hour, 3 hours on several occasions in UAE. Okay, even around the world, when some guy from London or New York Wall Street, some really, experienced dude with 30-40 years, he's just, giving a seminar. He, of course, he's not gonna do it for free. He's gonna be 50, 60, 100 seats, and he's gonna be charging his time, right? So they do this. I took those. So people who want to, I didn't come here just like sitting on a damn YouTube. I worked on the damn trading floor, man. I met with people. I absorbed their experience. I got myself. I'm trading since God knows, like pre-COVID, man. pre-COVID, 2016, 17, 9, 15, 16, 17, 16, 17, probably the start of 16. It was a really long journey, man. COVID was the thing that actually made me realize how fucked up the world is when people are actually making money on the misery of others. But that's what you guys also experienced last year, right? When gold was just going up because children and people were getting bombed. And even right now, it's either happening in Ukraine or Middle East or God knows where. But that's how fucked up the world is, isn't it? Nobody gives a shit. Everybody, at the end of the day, they say, okay, I'm alive, my family's alive. Let's buy that new PlayStation. Let's buy that new iPhone. Let's get that. Everybody forget there are people out there that are sleeping without a home, without any food. You should say amen that you are sleeping with food in your tummy. There are people out there, children out there. They probably died because of hunger. Shit is happening in Syria. Those individuals that were responsible for killing of thousands of innocent people from the duration of time of 2012 till 2000, God knows 15, 16. Now they're rebranded and are being called rebels, whereas they are the same individuals that were responsible for the death of tens of thousands of civilians back then. But right now it's all happening all over again. Why? Because the global so-called powers, superpowers of the damn world, they think they're the individuals who are gonna decide for the future of the rest of the world. This is a mockery. People need to wake up. This is why I say we live in a matrix, because this world is designed in a way that you just wake up, you go to job, you don't care about anything because you are alive, and the only thing that should matter is that you should make enough money so that you can retire off early. And so guess what, if you work in a corporate industry, you're gonna retire till the age you're gonna keep on working till you get old, and in the end your boss is gonna end up making money. And what's happening in the AI sector is enough to wake up. You're gonna get replaced by that robot that is not gonna get tired, that is not gonna have any emotional or breakdown. He's gonna work 24/7 round on the clock, and guess what, if he gets damage, he's gonna be replaceable. His battery is gonna be replaced, or he's gonna be replaced with a new unit. And we are actually entering into the world of matrix exterminator. Tens of thousands of employees are already getting rid of. Almost 5 years ago, I heard that AI right now, you see, is really old. I mean, the stuff they're working on is way ahead. 5 years ago, 6 years ago, I heard there was a breakthrough in God knows which university in America that made up an AI computer that basically you just put in all the reports of an individual, and he's gonna diagnose the exact medication or treatment for that specific individual to make him feel better. Either he's a cancer patient or he has some, God help him, any life-threatening disease. He's gonna diagnose, he's gonna tell exactly what to do, and it proved out to be quite effective. And the stuff they're showing now is just old. It's just like the stuff we are getting in AI is probably 8-10 years old. The stuff which they are working on is way ahead. Even I've been saying this again and again, the technology, even if you remember a month ago, there were some drones flying in New Jersey and New York and nobody gave a shit, and then around Europe and everywhere else people started seeing these. And by the way, I'm just talking right now, Bitcoin is pumping, so let me just switch to Bitcoin. Yeah, so, and people weren't even focused. People were like, what the hell is happening? Nobody, people know is there drones, they're following the FFA lightning. Nobody was even focused where they're coming from. Yes, that was some spooky ass shit, but that's the reality. You need to start asking questions, what the hell is happening in the world. We saw Ukraine invasion, we saw Middle East crisis, then we saw those Hypersonic missiles landing on Tel Aviv. We saw Houthis attack, you know, ships and shit going on and on and on. And what's the worst thing that can happen in 2025? I mean, even Donald Trump assassination attempt happened last year. For heaven's sake, worst 2025 Taiwan invasion. If you guys are missing out something, you know what? The sixth generation fighter plane that China, that the video got leaked on the social media. Yeah, go check it out. China is testing, is actually not only testing, it's actually officially made part of his air force, is officially the first sixth generation air fighter capable of not only long what do you say long capable of long distance flight, but also stealth capabilities. And it has 3 engines on it and is larger, more capable of carrying more payload. We are entering into a new era of war technology, new era of race, weapons race. The future is scary, man. If you don't keep it up, you'll be like a you'll be like a dinosaur. If you were still wondering what's my age, I'm probably somewhere between the age of Pretty and Azad. Pretty, I don't know how to pronounce it. Let me just answer some questions. I've been getting some messages. Let me reply to those messages. In the meantime, hit the like button. Before I go on, I forgot to mention Fed bargains there are some potential upside risk to inflation. He just, I think, right now, 3 minutes ago, he tweeted this. So now I'm gonna go. Espiriti. Am I pronouncing it correctly? I wish I had SOEIC options. IC options. Isn't IC option a binary what is called a binary trader? If I call it correctly. Some mic. I don't understand, man. Let me answer to those questions. Guys are probably waiting. No, ask me. Type it down. Let me reply to those guys. Then I'll get back to you. Yeah, guys, I'm back. Time. So let's quickly. So this is gold. I'm not worried about gold. Gold is what gold does. Gold is gonna drop. Okay, it's gonna drop. It's still dropping. I don't know if the more we get closer to the New York closure, I think the buy momentum, the buy is gonna get killed. Anyways, rip. Same as for Bitcoin. If you are selling, God help you. I'm not selling. I'm on a buy. I'm easy, no stress. I just have day one open. I entered a buy from here 91, then from 93, and on from 94, and then I'm just like easy mood on, baby. Just waiting for the 5 hours candle to close. So we have a 1 24-hour bullish candle closure, and then I'm gonna sit back, relax for a new fresh 24 hours. In short, I'm gonna wait for Bitcoin to just go all-time high. So I planned this buy, so I'm not jumping in for any sell scalps. I took buy scalps and sell scalps all the way till 95. I'm not gonna do anymore. I want a relaxing swing trade, that so I can enjoy my weekend. I just don't sit in front of the scalping cells. No, I prepared myself for the week ahead and the week next. I prepared myself for the whole January way in advance, so I can chillax and enjoy while everybody panics. We prepare before. Okay, this is why you have to stay 10 steps ahead, not 10 steps ahead. And by the way, what was that question, Preeti? I don't understand. Ask me up quickly. It's been almost 2 hours 36 minutes live streaming. If you guys want that I continue on the stream, hit the like button. Right now we can see a fresh 4-hour candle, but I see a small pullback and then going up. It might drop down till 96, 156 or 325. But even if it does so, it will it's just like this. But you know what, I'm not gonna sell, because in a market like this, I'll probably just keep buying. Even if it buys that down, I'm not gonna sell. I'm gonna buy, baby. I'm gonna buy. Bye. I'll see you guys next week. That's what's gonna happen with Bitcoin. No, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just messing with you guys. Nope, I'm not giving myself a stress. You wanna give yourself a stress? Go ahead, sell this, baby. I'm just gonna sit back and relax, because I'm on a way up. I'll probably put some 1980s sync music, and sit back and relax. The profits. Thank you for the likes and the heart, sweetheart. Tell me why. I will try to at least stream 6 hours, 7 hours. Okay, let's do a 6-hour stream, but in between I'll be taking some rest and minute break. I have a batch to teach. The first half batch I taught in the morning. The second half batch I'm teaching right now. Okay, so some guys, okay, so the stream is also going side by side. If you guys have any question, ask me up. Before I go, because I'm getting busy, I want to ask you, what chart you guys want to see, gold or Bitcoin, and what hour, 1 hour or 4 hour? You know what, I know what's good for you guys. This is I actually know what's good for you guys. 4 hourly chart is good for you guys, trust me. If you know the direction, you can make the right choices, okay? Because all of you guys are, mature and financially, you can make sound financial decisions. I hope so. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna teach them, and the stream is going on, and in between I'm gonna be coming and checking to your questions. Don't go anywhere. I'm here. I'm watching, I'm reading, but I'm busy, okay? Don't go anywhere. Because in between I'll also be coming and breaking down whatever that happening on the chart. So stay tuned, okay? I'm still here, I'm watching. You see this? This is why I was telling not to sell. See this? This is why I was not telling to sell. Still pumping. Okay? Trust me, if you have a buy over here, you'll be enjoying your damn weekend. I went for some small break and I was teaching in between and it fucking pumped. Look at the pump. Pumpity pumpity pump pump. And it's still pumping. Nobody's even here, man. Why you guys not here? I said I was here, man. It's still pumping. Anyways. Yeah, guys, I'm still here. I was just watching the Bitcoin is going up, and I think that now it's too late to enter a buy. But if you can manage to get in a buy on the pullback, then good, because the plane has taken off, and we are going, baby. We are going home. We are going back home. Home is above 100k. You're going home. We breached 0.618 golden Fibonacci zone, 0.50 the gold standard of Fibonacci, and after that we are heading towards 0.382, and after hitting 0.382, which is 9881.71, the next target will be 100k, and as soon as it hit 100k, you know what's coming next. You gotta pump it up. You gotta pump it up. Yep. Pump, 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 pada pada pump. Okay. And we are heading towards the pump. And you gotta pump it up, baby. Anyways. Let's move. Oh, see this? This is what I was talking about. We got in over here. Noise. Noise. And guess what happens? When the New York closes, gold closes, Forex closes, S&P, Nasdaq, holy shit. I forgot to talk about those stuff. Everything is recovering. I think we are in a really good spot. But nevertheless, you gotta pump it up, baby. Because you gotta pump it up. Well, nothing new over here, just same old usual stuff, same old usual stuff, nothing special. Gold is gonna drop further on. Let's see that. Somebody's asking, will gold further drop down? Well, my dear friend, the show has just started. Maybe till 2620. S&P 500 is up by 400%. S&P 500 is up by 400%. Nice. As I was saying that it was dropping. Yesterday it dropped. Now it pumped up. And it rose because of technology giants, implying that the Wall Street stock may finally end a 5-day losing streak. This was soon followed by changes PMI and Fed Barkin's statement that there are some potential upside risk to inflation. And a bunch of other messages that Barkin said. So you should probably go check them out. Let's go back to gold. Yes, gold. Yep. And I'm gonna head back to where I was